today's video, I am going to draw a sketch of a little seating area fountain. We installed the fountain last year, but it had issues over the winter. Today we're refurbishing the fountain and laying a little bluestone pad between the two benches. Can't wait to show you the finished result.
Because I gotta get rid of this. Going stone by stone.
Whether it's a puddle or a fountain like this one, children are drawn to water, and seeing my boys splash and enjoying this one makes all the hard work worth it. Hope you all have a great week in your gardens. See you next time.